If your family's plans live in your head, in 3 group chats, and on a whiteboard nobody reads, this video is for you. This is the complete Houseloop walkthrough, from zero. We'll download the app, create your account, go through the first-time setup, and then set up the features families actually use every day. The shared grocery list, the baby tracker, nursing sessions, inviting your partner, the home screen widget, the planner, and reminders that reach the right person instead of you. By the end, your whole house is set up. Let's start at the beginning. First, getting the app. On your iPhone or iPad, open the App Store and search for Houseloop, all one word. Tap Get, and it installs like any other app.
No iPhone handy?
Go to houseloop.app in any browser, on any computer or phone. The website is the full product, not a preview, so everything in this video works there too. And if someone in your family already invited you with a link, just tap their link. It brings you to the same place with your family already attached. Open the app and you'll see 3 ways in. Continue with Apple uses the Apple ID already on your phone. 1 tap and you're done. Continue with Google does the same with your Google account. Or tap Continue with email. Type your email address and Houseloop sends you a 6-digit code. Type the code in and you're signed in. Notice what you didn't do. You never created a password, so there's no password to forget. Which option should you pick? Whichever account you'll still have access to in 5 years. They all create the same Houseloop account, and you can always sign in the same way on a new device. Houseloop sets up your household automatically, and then setup is exactly 2 steps. Step 1 says, add your first reminder. Put one real thing in here, something you're actually carrying in your head right now. Give it a name, pick when you want to be reminded, and save it. That's one thing out of your head already. Step 2 says, now try brain dump. This is the part people don't expect. Type or speak everything swirling around up there. Errands, appointments, the permission slip, all of it in one messy paragraph. Houseloop splits it into clean, separate tasks with dates. You do not have to organize your thoughts before you write them down. That's the whole point. When you land on your home screen, Houseloop walks you through a quick tour of the 4 things worth knowing on day 1. The baby tracker, the shared grocery list, adding your family, and Maya, the meal planning helper. You can tap through it in 10 seconds, and everything it points at is 1 tap from home. Let's set each one up properly. Tap the grocery list. This is one live list for the whole house. Anyone can add to it, anyone can check things off, and it syncs to everyone's phone instantly. Whoever ends up at the store just opens it and shops. Add a few things you need this week right now. Milk, diapers, whatever's real. If you track a baby in Houseloop, supplies can even add themselves to this list when you mark them running low. Now, the baby tracker. This is the whole baby day in one place. Feeds, diapers, sleep, and growth. Log a bottle and the amount. Log a diaper in 2 taps. Start a sleep session when the nap starts. Here's what makes it different from a notes app. It's shared. When you log a feed, the other parent's phone knows immediately. No more texting "when did she eat?" from the other room, and no more guessing at 3 in the morning. If you're nursing, open the nursing tracker. Tap to start the timer on the left or right side, and tap again when you switch or stop. It keeps the running history for you. Which side, how long, when the last session ended. That's the question every tired parent loses track of, and now it's just on the screen, for both of you. None of this works if you're the only one in the app, so let's add your family. Go to Family and tap Add. You can send an invite link by text or share your household code, a short code that starts with HL. Your partner downloads the app, taps your link or types the code with their name, and they're in. Full members, not viewers. They see the same lists, get their own reminders, and can hand things back to you. This is the single highest value minute in this whole video. The moment a second adult joins, you stop being the only one who knows things. Put Houseloop on your home screen where you'll actually see it. On your iPhone, press and hold the home screen, tap the plus button, and search for Houseloop. Add the widget, and today's tasks sit right on your home screen. No opening the app, no checking. Glance at your phone, and you know what today holds. In the app settings, there's a widget section that walks you through it step by step. Next, the planner. This is your family's week at a glance. Tap a day, add what's happening. The dentist on Thursday, swim class Saturday morning. Give it a time, assign it to a person, and it's on the family's shared week, not just yours. Everyone sees the same week, so nobody plans a playdate on top of the dentist. Now the feature that quietly changes everything. Reminders. Open any task and tap Remind Me. You can be reminded at the scheduled time, an hour before, a day before, a week before, or a custom date and time you pick. Here's the key part. The reminder goes to whoever owns the task. If you hand the dentist appointment to your partner gets the nudge, not you. You stop being the family's alarm clock. One last thing, and it matters. When Houseloop asks to send you notifications, tap Allow. Every reminder you just set travels through that permission. If you skip the prompt, open your phone settings, find Houseloop, tap Notifications, and turn them on.
Done.
Now the app, and that's the full setup. You downloaded the app, signed in without a password, emptied your head into brain dump, set up the grocery list and the baby tracker, invited your family, added the widget, planned your week, and turned on reminders that go to the right person. Houseloop starts with a free trial, and one plan covers your entire household, so the whole family joins on a single subscription. Download Houseloop on the App Store, or start right now at houseloop.app. Your head was never meant to be the family's database. Let the app carry it.